today we are going to create something very good, which is a custom app bar, which is a very basic requirement of all the apps in Flutter. It's not in Flutter, any project we have made, they mostly contains one or two app bars, right? And usually what our main flow is, we use the app bar parameter in the scaffold and try to add the app bar over there. But that's a pretty lame approach. That's a pretty repetitive approach, because app bar is used in each and every screens, and it is not feasible to use different functions, different widgets for each of them, right? So what if you have to change one parameter like color of the app bar from entire app? Then you have to go to each and every widget app bar and you have to search for the color and replace it with their desired color. Okay, so to prevent that, what we can do is basically assume we have a screen. Okay, let's go to the app bar, let's search an app bar. Right, so you can see we have plenty of app bars over here. 1, 2, right? App bars, right? I also created one custom app bar too, but that's also a function. If you can see, we cannot put it in out of the class, right? So what's the best way of doing it using a single multiple widget? So we will create a single widget, which is custom app bar widget. So it's pretty straightforward, but yet pretty hard to use, and the only reason it would be due to its positioning. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is, let's assume this is your app bar. Let's get an app bar first. Okay, I'm trying to get in a normal app bar so I can show you an example. Basically, I think this looks good. This is our app bar, right? Okay, I don't think I use it. This is a very good example of an app bar. You must have this one. Okay, and just a second. Okay, so starting with what we do is we automatically, okay, this is our app bar. Let's create a simple one from the scratch. Okay, so assuming we have a screen. Okay, let's create a screen over here, and let's go to app bar screen. Let's name app bar screen. Pretty lame name, but okay. Then we will create a stateless widget basically, and name it app bar screen. This is our app bar. So, okay, so now we come to the general screen. What we usually do, we open the scaffold, and that we open a body. Okay, and in that we add the container most of the time. And let's add a child, and with center let's add a child again, and a text, and let's say welcome my friend. Okay, this is our scaffold. What about app bar? How can we make an app bar? We go to there, then we use an app bar. Okay, and then what we do is we just add the elements we want to do. So let's assume elevation is this. Let's in the title app bar widget. Okay, and after that we will just, this is not a title, we require a widget over here, so I think we should have added this one, this guy. Oh, this reckon, and we are good to go. Then what we have actions, so it requires list of widget. Let's put it empty right now. Let's add one action. So I need icons dot, let's say log out. Assume we are creating it. Okay, then we have prefix, I think. Okay, action. You can see all the parameter ways. Also we can select the color. Also we can select leading is also a good thing. We can select a container. Right now I'm just containing icons dot back basically. That's good, fine one. There we go. These are the leading, and we have shadow, size, text, direction, and everything. So this is what we usually do for creating an app bar. Okay, now we need to extract this. So one example, one way of doing it is you expect it as a method. Let's say custom app bar. Now what your desired goal is to use this multiple times. And let's create some variable too. Let's say string title, then we say string not string, list of widgets, actions. These are the only things required for this. Now we add the both of them, which is first thing would be this, and second thing would be over here. Okay, and now I just have to change it with title and have to change it with the actions. Yeah, remove this guy, save this. Okay, requires an check. Okay, that is a string. Okay, we require a text, so we require to go text. Right, so this is our main function, but we want to extract a widget, so you can use it like multiple times. So let's name that widget again. But what the problem is, you can't use this widget over here. Right, this is the only point why I created the widget basically, because as you can see, we cannot use the widget directly over here because this parameter requires an AppBar, which is a preferred size widget. Okay, and to achieve that, what only solution or the easiest solution to is firstly create let's create a new file. Let's go for a new file basically. Let's assume this is our file. Ignore this code, this is like a bunch of extra code. I pasted my class over here. It required my Flutter material. Okay, now, and then what we will add, because as we wanted to add the implementation, preferred size widget basically. Okay, then I hit this, getting shocked. This. Okay. Requires two things, we use two things, and this is giving error. We just have to do this. We're good to go. What it says, one override missing. Create it, because this is very important, preferred size, as it is crucial to create an AppBar widget. So what it will basically be added, the main point should be implements preferred size. That's the main keyword you have to add in the build function starting. Okay, so now if you go back to your main screen, you can see it's still not doing the answer. We just have to import it and everything looks fine. Okay, so this is about how you can add the AppBar in the screen. Now go to this, you can change this guy, and all the notification or the AppBar in the entire app will be changed according to your needs, basically with one clicks or one few words or anything. Okay, so this is it. I think this is good. Okay, so thank you, bye, have a nice day.